EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Markovich with your outlook for February 21st, 2020 for your Friday. Still a trough over the region today. We will have mostly sunny skies in the wake of this system that is off to the south and east that is moving away, that brought snow to parts of the Carolinas and southern Virginia that has now moved away. And this trough will remain in place today. That's going to give us the cold air, but we'll have mostly sunny skies, actually bright sunshine today. With very little in the way of clouds at all, if any at all. And that's going to go right into tonight with mostly clear skies expected and moonlit overnight. So we have a little bit of a warm-up coming on Saturday, and it'll start with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s to near 50 degrees here on Saturday with, again, mostly sunny skies, another bright sunshine day. And that's going to bleed into Sunday with mostly sunny skies continuing, and even warmer on Sunday with highs in the 50s, pretty much region-wide, except for maybe hanging the upper 40s in the far northern areas. So a very nice weekend coming up to get any outdoor work done that you need to get done. If you want to get a jump on spring cleaning or whatever you want to do, or just spend time outdoors, just to go for a walk or something, it'll be pretty nice to do so. As we get to Monday, we're going to have clouds increase ahead of the first system that's expected next week. There's going to be two systems next week, so we're going to turn a little bit unsettled, but I don't think it comes in early enough on Monday other than just to get increasing clouds. I think you just get some showers here as we head toward the evening hours and then overnight. This is just first system just bringing light showers to the region. Does not look like a big storm at all. It actually has trended less in the rainfall department. But this will go into the day here on Tuesday with scattered showers continuing. Again, light showers on Tuesday. And it will be mild during this period, so we don't expect any wintry precipitation anywhere. Not as a start, far interior, nowhere. Looking at just rain from this, with temperatures very mild in the 50s Monday and Tuesday as well. And then once we get to Wednesday, we kind of have like a transition day in between where we don't see anything. And another system is going to round the bend here. There's an incoming trough here at the same time. But the trough is hanging back here, and our system is sitting right about here. I know it has an L right here, but that's sitting right here ahead of it. But the low-pressure center is actually right back here, and it's on the lead of that trough. We talked about this in yesterday's video. It's a matter of timing of a couple hours difference of the northern stream being a little bit more progressive would result in a snow event across our region, and is very close today on the European model. It shows a rain situation coming in late in the day here on Wednesday afternoon, and then continuing into the overnight, and then you see it change over to snow in the interior. But this phase takes place a little bit too quickly with this trough as it's coming in. The trough comes in, and and this is taking a track that's a little bit more inland like this, and so because of that, the only snow in our area, which is a rain to snow situation, is found in the far interior locations, and eventually gets to northeast PA in this scenario. If it was a little bit later, a little bit further south, just a little bit, like this, which doesn't take much to do, especially when you're looking at a model that's trying to forecast next Wednesday and Thursday. If they're off just a little bit in that timing, it can make a difference in snow and who gets it. Or conversely, it could come even further inland, like the GFS showed today, and it's a mostly rain event for everybody. So we've got a lot of things to work out here, but the timing is not as far off, or this is not the trend of this system here is really irrelevant at this point. So it's going to go back and forth the next couple of days and show a cutter or show a total miss south and east. It'll show something maybe just marginally like the European model shows, like a rain to snow situation. But in this situation where you're dealing with an exact precise timing and it's only off by a few hours, it can change very quickly. So we want to just continue to monitor this one in particular. This is one of our long-range storm signals that we've had now for a couple weeks in our long-range outlook. I will be uploading the long-range outlook today. This will be one of those signals, again, that we're maintaining for the third consecutive week. Does not necessarily mean it's going to be a snowstorm, but it could be. Okay, so we're going to watch this just closely. Where these jets meet up and where this phase is going to make a difference of who gets snow and who doesn't. All right, so just a little bit further east. That's not that far, folks. A little bit further east, you could be talking about something that could be a little bit more wintry for more areas, and farther south and east within our region. It's going to matter when the trough gets in here and the cold air gets in here. But behind this system, clouds will give way to sun later in the day here on Thursday. So we have leftover morning rain, snow showers in the morning. Again, northeast PA in this scenario would change over. But again, specifics right now are going to be a little bit futile until we get a lot closer. Just going to continue to monitor here over the weekend and early next week and see where we're at that point. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Markovich. That is our outlook for February 21st, 2020. Have a great Friday.